shit.
What's good?
What? Where you from?
From New York.
Where in New York?
From Brooklyn.
You look like you fucking smoke people.
Nah, I'm a good person.
You are? I'm not.
You're not a good person? Oh, damn. I used to be, you know what I'm saying? But I'm chilling now.
I like that.
I mean,
You humble yourself.
hell yeah. I'm grown now, so I gotta chill. You right?
I like that. I like a grown man.
It's a fact.
How tall are you?
5'10". What about you?
5'2".
5'2"? Oh my gosh.
Is that bad?
Hell no.
You gonna pick me up?
Pick your ass up, you heard? All the way up.
We gonna have a baby.
That's what you trying to do? Shit, we can do that.
It's about time.
Most definitely. Word. Look though, you got IG?
I do.
Yeah, let me get that.
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
I can do your hair and shit too. I could accept it right now. Just request it.
Yeah, I did.
I approved it. Let me view your profile.
Shit, I just made a new IG.
No, Papa.
Hell yeah.
Dog. Ooh. That's my Papa for real.
Could definitely be that, you heard.
Alright.
But look though, hit me up.
Okay.
Alright, bet. Damn, she was on my dick. Oh my.
There's no room.
Yeah.
Yo.
What's good? What you got going on? What color's your eyes? Yo, your eyes is fire. Ain't gonna lie.
What's your snap? Cause you fine.
Shit, let me know when you ready.
I'm ready.
Alright, it's the real. Where you from?
Indiana.
Yeah, look, I'm about to hit you up, you heard?
Okay.
Alright, bet.
Kids been eating pepperoni.
It's too easy, nigga. On BD.
Hello. Like your hair.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Thank you.
Where you from?
I'm from Chicago. Where you from?
I'm from New York.
New York. I was just in New York.
Word.
Mm-hmm.
What's your sign?
I'm a Capricorn. What's your sign?
Y'all toxic as hell. I'm a Taurus.
We are, and you said that being a tourist. Tourists are toxic.
Taurus ain't toxic. I don't know about the April Taurus, but I'm a May Taurus. Feel me? So
Toxic still.
I know what I mean.
Yeah.
I'm nonchalant, but I wouldn't say. You know what I'm saying? So what else you like to get into? What's your hobbies and shit?
I like to do a lot of stuff. I like to draw. I like to skate. I like to go to new places. I don't know. I don't know. I play piano.
Word? That's what's up. The
Why you on
stop,
this app?
I'm just up here trolling for real. I just come on this shit when I'm bored. Feel me?
Yeah. Me
Then I
too.
ran into you. I can't troll you. You look too good. I mean,
Thank you.
why you on this app?
I'm at the.
Why you on this app?
I'm bored. Just
Sweet.
bored.
You know, same shit.
Yeah.
You gonna lie, that
Okay,
shit.
I'm low-key about to get out this app and like go to sleep, but like I can get you on Instagram.
Hell yeah. Most definitely.
Do that.
We both got our phones up and shit. Just, yeah, I'll tell you my
Okay, you can.
Which one? You want me to tell you?
I'll tell you mine.
All right, what is it?
It's Kennedy, so KENNEDI.
Yeah, I just made it.
And what's your name?
Devon.
Devon. Okay.
Mhm.
Nice to meet you, Devon.
Nice to meet you. Your name Kennedy, I'm assuming.
Yes.
Okay.
No,
Yeah.
I did. It was 8. Oh, wait. Hold up. Hey.
It was good with y'all.
You cute. What's your name?
Appreciate it. My name Devon. What about you?
Kwanzaa.
Kwanzaa. I know you lying your ass. You lying? Or that's your real name?
Swear to God.
That's your name? That's crazy. You the first person I ever heard with that name. That's new to me.
I love your dreads.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Nice. Then get on that. How old is you?
I'm 20. I'm 26. What about you?
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. 26. I'm 24.
Okay. My birthday this month. I'm about to be 27
Oh, when your birthday?
on the 16th.
Oh, mine's on the 8th.
Oh, we Taurus. Taurus gang, you heard?
31st. 24th of August.
Nah, it's big Taurus gang. We don't care about nothing else.
She's a Gemini. And is
Yeah, Gemini is Two-Face.
real Two-Face.
I don't like you anymore.
There you go. You just proved his point. You just proved his point.
Right, you see? It's crazy.
You single?
Yeah, most definitely.
You fine.
Shit, appreciate that. You look good too. Let me get your
Yeah,
IG.
get her number.
Let me get your IG or your number. Whatever one you feel
Let me
comfortable
give
with.
it to you. It's a 573. Hold on, let me get a pen and a paper.
Nah, I got my
Let me
phone
know.
right here. I got my phone.
Okay, 573-8.
Yeah, go ahead, then. Where you live?
In New York.
New York, gangsta.
Yeah, y'all funny as hell. I ain't gonna
We
lie.
word to my mom.
Yeah,
We
work.
love New York. We love New York.
I love New York people.
Yes. Cause y'all be like gangsta.
Gangster. Gangster. What am my mother?
Yeah.
Nah, dead ass stuff. Yo,
Hello.
what's good with y'all? What y'all got going on?
You do look like a god.
Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Where y'all from?
He's glowing.
I need a FaceTime buddy.
Need a FaceTime buddy?
Yeah.
Shit, I could be your FaceTime buddy, but it's only like one requirement. Well, two.
What is it?
See, y'all not ugly, but you gotta have a nice butt. Feel me? If you don't got no nice butt, y'all got nice butts. What's up, like?
I don't know. Do we?
Let me see. I can't. That's a side view. I gotta see from. Feel me? Okay. Yeah, her shit nice. Her shit nice. I ain't gonna lie. What about you though, my heart? Let me see.
Okay, hold on. How do I do this? Let me just double.
Oh yeah, your shit beefy. God damn. God damn. Nah, your shit is fat. Again, your shit fat.
What do you-
Bruh, sometimes you just can't. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know the
look
ones.
good stink. Like let me
Nigga,
have
this
this
Seagate job is only
time.
$100.
You said look what? Now what? Say it again.
You look god.
So what's the moves? What you trying to do? You trying to get active or what?
I'm trying to get freaky, man.
Trying to get freaky? You got a big butt? What's up?
That's how I got a big butt. You want to see me shaking?
I want to see you shake it. Come on. Bitch, just explode the fuck out of me.
Yo.
Yo, gang, this shit funny as hell. See? That's all you gotta wait for, feel me?
Funny as a bitch.
She got a doodle stand, gang. Don't tease me, gang. Chill out. Come on. Yeah. Hey. Nah, she
He already had them before.
better.
They got the air mattress on the wall and everything.
Air mattress on the wall is crazy.
You bitches are dirty.
That bitch pull her titties out, but that's all I
I'm
care about.
ugly.
Yeah.
Yo, ask them what their floor look like.
Sorry, y'all. What's up?
Yo.
What's up?
Man, what y'all got going on? Y'all look good as hell. Shit.
Try somebody's babe. Thank you. You said those
I
twerking
could-
and you was twerking. They could barely see that. There's not enough to
Yeah,
block.
you gotta move over. Come this way soon. Make her come this way a little bit. Yeah.
We can't. We gonna get banned.
No, y'all not. You bugging. Y'all good.
God, we just got banned like 3 times. Trying to make it up.
Damn.
Making us.
Damn. I ain't gonna lie. Look, I wish I was over there with y'all right now. You heard?
Where you from?
I'm from New York.
All right, I want you, daddy. I want you, daddy.
She love New York, nigga.
Shit, I want you too, shorty. Look, yo, give me your IG before I slide about it.
IG, get his IG.
Okay, get it down right now.
I got you.
Whenever you're ready. 23
Uh-huh.
_RIAH. I'm gonna add you to my close friends too.
Yeah, do that. Most definitely, you are.
Right. We locked in, man. Appreciate you, baby.
We locked in for real. God damn.